Texas Supreme Court justices heard arguments today in an ongoing fight that will determine if hundreds of thousands of gallons of treated wastewater can be dumped into Onion Creek. Now, this case goes back to 2019 when Save Our Springs sued the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality for granting the city of Dripping Springs a permit to release 800,000 gallons of treated sewage into the creek per day and potentially contaminate the waterway that feeds into Barton Creek. The state's highest court now has to decide if the permit should be rejected. Attorneys for Save Our Springs argued that the TCEQ did not do enough to show that a permit can pass reviews required by state and federal law. And if the permit is granted, Barton Springs could face irreversible damage.
These are classic, iconic waters that are critical to our state, and they're dwindling and degrading because they refuse to apply this absolutely critical rule that is a fundamental cornerstone of the Clean Water Act.
But attorneys for the TCEQ and the city of Dripping Springs argued that the agency did not skirt any requirements and that this issue should be decided by scientists who consider these permits, not courts.
It's water body specific, and TCEQ has figured this out scientifically. And the court shouldn't say, well, even though you determined scientifically that 5 is what you need, well, 6.44 to 5 looks like a lot to me.
There is no timeline for the court to issue a ruling.